Hey everyone, friends, Weller here. Today I'll show you how to fix a Google GameHub error. Alright, there are two methods. First one is to grant it all permissions. Yeah, by long pressing the button, tap App Info, then Permissions, and here we'll grant all permissions, okay? Management. So for storage, microphone, location, and everything else, right? Camera. If that doesn't help, then you need to uninstall the app. Uninstall it. Tap OK and then search for Google GameHub. Go to the first tab and tap Android Download. Tap Download. Then open the APK file. Alright, allow installation. Tap Install. Open the app. Now tap Confirm. And that should fix the problem. You can repeat the same permission steps with the new app. This will definitely help. See you all later.